Blood in the Soil Part 2. But on the seventh night, the soil bled. Not figuratively. Actual blood seeped from the cracks in the earth, thick and dark, pulling at the corners of the uncompleted building. The workers fled. And Obinna, left alone, decided he would face whatever it was. After all, what was a curse to a man with a master's degree? At midnight, he lit a lantern and stepped onto Ola Oji. He knelt, touched the earth, and mocked it. I command this land to obey me. I am the son of Chief Nok. I. A woman's cry split the silence. Not just any cry, a mourning wail that chilled the marrow and brought tears to the eyes without reason. Obinna froze. Behind him, the air grew cold. A shape formed in the darkness. A woman, her body covered in clumps of soil, her eyes hollow, her mouth agape as if screaming for eternity. She spoke without lips moving. "Give me back my child." The ground trembled. Obinna turned to run, but his feet sank into the soil, as if the land itself had opened its mouth to consume him. Suddenly, memories not his own flooded his mind, flashes of war, of soldiers, of a woman begging for mercy as her infant was torn from her hands and buried alive, on this land, by men who wore the same name he now bore. The blood in the soil was not random. It was vengeance buried beneath silence. He screamed, begged, prayed. But the soil does not forget. It does not forgive. When dawn broke, there was no sign of Obinna, only a pair of brooks sticking out from the blood-darkened earth. And the land. It was quiet again. Until the next heir arrived. They said the land was cursed, but now, they know why. And still, the soil waits. Because justice, once buried, never dies, it waits beneath your feet.